In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking form in Microsoft Forms, tips and tricks in 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable booking form that captures the essentials and is easy for your audience to complete. First, head to Microsoft Forms in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account so your form is saved to the cloud and easy to manage later. From the dashboard, choose New Form. Give your form a clear title like Booking Request and add a short description that explains what the form is for and how you'll follow up. This context helps people fill it out correctly and sets expectations for response times. If you want a faster start, you can use a template such as Event Registration. Templates come preloaded with common fields and layout ideas. You can delete what you don't need and tailor the wording to match your booking flow, which saves a lot of time when you're in a hurry. Now, add your core questions. Create fields for name, email, and phone number so you can reliably contact people. Choose the text question type for these and use the required toggle on any field you must have before scheduling. For appointment type, pick the choice question type and add your service options. Consider using a drop down if you have more than a few choices. It keeps the form tidy and reduces scrolling on mobile. Next, add a date question for the appointment date. The built-in date picker prevents typos and ensures you get a valid date every time. If there are days you don't accept bookings, add a short subtitle or hint so respondents choose appropriately. As with your contact fields, mark this as required to avoid incomplete submissions. Open the settings gear to fine-tune the experience. Set a start and end date to control when the form accepts responses, which is perfect for limited time offers or seasonal booking windows. You can also set a submission deadline so the form automatically stops collecting entries when you want it to. Turn on email notifications for each response if you want instant alerts, which is helpful when quick follow-up is important. When you're ready to share, click Collect Responses. You'll get a shareable link, a QR code for print or in-person displays, and an embed code to place the form on your website. Choose the option that matches where your audience is most likely to find you, and you're all set to start collecting bookings.